Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing both phone and RAV4 so the connection is reliable. Plug a high-quality USB cable into the vehicle's USB port. Use the port labeled for data, not charge only. On your phone, unlock and grant Android Auto permissions, contacts, location, media. Once done, open the car's home screen and select Android Auto or projection. If your RAV4 supports wireless, pair Bluetooth first. Then follow the on-screen prompt to switch to wireless projection. This avoids Now complete the connection and tailor the interface to your needs. When prompts appear on both screens, tap Accept and allow notifications and SMS access so voice replies work. On the RAV4 head unit, choose Android Auto and pick the app layout you prefer. You can reorder frequently used apps. Make sure phone audio routes to USB or Bluetooth in sound settings so navigation and media play through the car speakers. Once configured, test directions and a short call to confirm microphone and speaker routing. Finish by adopting safe habits and a quick troubleshooting routine. Use the steering wheel voice button or say "Hey Google" to start navigation, make calls, or send messages hands-free. This keeps your eyes on the road. If audio, map, or app crashes happen, disconnect and reconnect the USB cable or reboot your phone, then clear the Android Auto cache in phone settings if needed. As a key tip, try a different OEM quality cable and verify the RAV4 USB port is clean, often resolving intermittent disconnects.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.